The Blessed Damsel by Dante Gabriel Rossetti. Dante Gabriel Rossetti was English poet, painter, illustrator, and translator, co-founder of Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood with Holman Hunt and John Everett Millais, sought to revive the detailed, colorful, sincere style of Italian art before Raphael, influenced by Dante, medievalism, courtly love, and Edgar Allan Poe. The poem reflects his ideals of love, beauty, and spiritual longing, shaped also by his personal grief. So the poem is in 24 6-line stanza, total 144 lines. Rhyme scheme mainly AB, AB, CB or AB, CB, DB. Meter is alternating, iambic, tetrameter 8 syllable and trimeter 6 syllables. Ballad like rhyme. Narrative technique is three perspective. Omniscient narrator describes the scene and surroundings. Damsel's speech, her direct words from heaven. And lover interjection, his thoughts on earth, grounding the vision in reality. So, poem in summary, let's see. A young woman, the blessed damsel, has died and gone to heaven. She leans over the golden bar of heaven, gazing down at her lover on earth and yearning for him. She imagines their reunion, meeting the Virgin Mary, being blessed by Christ, and enjoying eternal love. Her love on earth grieves deeply. Her lovers on earth grieves deeply. His thoughts appear in parentheses. The vision ends as she weeps, and the illusion fades for the lover. So the major themes here is eternal love and longing. Love transcends death, yet separation brings pain. The damsel's earthly love continues in heaven. Heaven versus earth and spirituality versus sensuality. Heaven is both spiritual and sensual, blending divine purity and human passion. Time and eternity. 10 years on earth feel like 10 years of years to the lover, but scarce a day to the damsel. Death, loss, and reunion, inspired by Dante, Beatrice, hope for divine blessing of their love and eternal reunion. Pre-Raphaelite ideals, medievalism, vivid imagery, deep emotion, and rivers for beauty, dream vision and illusion. The lover's vision fades like autumn leaves, beautiful yet unattainable. Key symbols and imagery: three lilies, purity, the Holy Trinity, the Virgin Mary. 7 stars in hair, white rose of Mary, yellow hair like ripe corn, gold bar rampart, eyes deeper than still waters, lovers newly met in heaven. Literary devices used here is simile and metaphor, alliteration and assonance, parenthetical asides, and symbol and medieval diction, and contrast. The poem double work of art. The poem and the painting exist together, word and image, depending the experience of beauty, longing, and the ideal of love. The famous quote is, "O love, as true as is the sky above, so steadfast is thy love to me." Her eyes were deeper than the depth of water still. So the poem exemplifies pre-Raphaelitism, sensuous medieval revival, fusion of poetry and painting. Rossetti's most important early work evolved over his career. Praised for its pathos, beauty, and mythical love, sometimes critics as overly sentimental, deeply personal, reflects Rossetti love for and loss of Elizabeth Siddal.